Hi creatives! Today, I'll show you a quick trick to turn a map into a custom frame. Let's start by opening a 1920 by 1080 video canvas to ensure our graphic is in high resolution. Now, head to the Elements tab and search for Argentina map. Under Graphics, choose this one. Download it as a PDF. But before that, let's add any text. Canva doesn't allow exporting premium images alone. Open Microsoft Word, go to File, open the map PDF. Delete the sun icon. Double-click on the shape, then go to Shape Format, Shape Fill, Picture, and select any image. Repeat the same process for the other two shapes. Now save the file as a PDF. Next, let's open the converted graphic in Canva. Copy the map to the final canvas size. In this case, I'm making a 1080 by 1080 social media post. Upload your images and drag them into the map frame. You can also add a transparent color fill by duplicating the frame. Map is done, now let's add Messi. To remove the background, click Background Remover. Next, let's enhance the design. Add a shadow to emphasize the subject. Apply a filter. We'll go with fresco for this design. Finally, let's add text and a background to complete the look. Hope this tutorial helped you create a unique design. If you want to keep learning, check out my other videos for more Canva and graphic design tips. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.